Now this is how you can lower the iPhone alarm volume. So right now the way that it works is that the alarm doesn't have any way of adjusting the volume once you are trying to set it up, but instead you have to go to the settings, scroll through the menus and find sounds and haptics. And when you go in here, you can see the ringtone and alerts slider. So you can kind of hear the preview once you are adjusting it, but this is what applies to the alarms as well. So if you want to make the alarm quieter or lower the volume, you need to lower down the ringer slider towards the left. Just keep in mind that it also applies to the incoming phone calls and other alerts. So just bear that in mind, but this is how you can lower the alarm on the iPhone. One more thing though, as you know, the iOS 27 isn't officially out just yet during the recording of this video, but once it gets released, we know for a fact that the alarms will be able to be adjusted in terms of the volume individually. So finally, we are going to have that feature. Currently, we still have the iOS 26, but once you update, just keep an eye out for the big iOS 27. Then we'll have the ability to adjust the volume individually for alarms. But that's it from me. I hope that I was able to help you out. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.